Hello, folks. So here we are. We're gonna do a little bit of the build on the engine. Take off the turbo, swap out the oil pan, and then we're gonna pressure wash it. After Jay gets done with the pressure washing on the hatch, so he's gonna go and scrape it and clean it up, and we're gonna get going on the rest of the build. We're gonna get it all cleaned up, put together, and then we can start doing the build.
Leads me to the fun part.
Yeah, the grunt work. We just got this one out of Binford a while back. My buddy's down at Binford Auto Wrecking. And then, so now I bought it as is without warranty, so we're gonna see how good it is. And then for the clutch and flywheel, I was gonna use the old clutch, but now we're gonna have to get a new clutch. But we do have a new flywheel, so we're probably gonna get a new clutch and a new flywheel. The flywheel's over there, we got a new one. We just got to order a clutch, so. All right, so we've got a lot of things done on this swap. On this LSV, this used to be my LSV out of my EF. I've owned this engine for quite a while. I've done a lot of swaps. This was one of my favorites. VTEC cracks very hard on this. So we had to refreshen it up. We had to do a couple things so it could be good in this EG. So we started off by doing the rear main seal. We did the aluminum flywheel, lightweight racing flywheel, stock clutch because he's gonna daily it. So he wanted a nice clutch that you can beat on or just drive regular. So then we also did we did the cam seals, cleaned everything up. We did a new water pump, the front crank seal, and new timing components. The last thing that we need to do on this is to pick it up, do the oil pan, and then we'll be able to marry it to the transmission. And then I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a really good swap in this EG. So this EG had a 1.5, so and it was also automatic. So we're also converting it. The pedal conversion we already did. And just excited to get everything done. The last thing we need to do is do a charge harness after we put the swap together and put it in. Waiting on the transmission mount also, but it has a rye wire harness that we're gonna install in it. And the only thing that it doesn't come with is a charge harness. So we need to do the charge harness with the starter, and then get everything buttoned up and put together, and then go out there and rip it and see how it goes. So I know that in my EF it cracked really hard. I actually put this head on this a few years back. So actually not even, it's probably like 2 years ago I put this head on this block. I had the block just laying around, but I know it's a good block because I took it out of my 97 Integra. So it's a 97 Integra bottom end with a B16 head and the B16 intake. I originally had bought this head. It came in a CRX that was super smashed. And I bought it for like $8 or whatnot, and then I built it up, and then ever since I've been stomping people out with this bikes, Mustangs, them 5.0s, cut them loose. I mean, just taking them out. So I'm excited to see how it goes on this hatch, and yep, that's it.